Students, warm welcome to your online class. Today, you are all are assembled for your SST class. Now, please join your SST class. I myself, Namita. Today, I am going to teach you chapter 11, that is direction. So, please see the clip. Here, I have shown you the intercardinary direction picture. Next, please see a girl standing here. She is showing the direction north, south, west and east. Please student, come to your next assignment. Your assignment is chapter 11. Topic is direction. Today I am going to teach you answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why is it important to know direction? Answer. Direction tells us how to reach a place without getting lost on the way. Question number 2. What is compass? How does it help us? Answer. A compass is an instrument that shows direction. The hand of compass help us to the directions. Question number 3. Name the 4 cardinal direction and one state of India in each direction. Answer. 4 cardinal direction with state names are Jammu and Kashmir, in north, in south, Tamil Nadu, in east, Assam, and in west, Gujarat. Come to question number 4. Your question number 4 is what can happen if you do not understand direction? Answer. If I do not understand direction, I can go in the wrong direction and get lost on the way. Question number 5. What guided the sailor at the sea in olden time? In olden times, sailor at sea followed the movement of sun during the day and star at night for direction. See the cardinal ordinal compass direction. Here north, south, west and east is shown, and you can see that west and north between you can see northwest direction. North and east you can see between northeast direction. South and east in between you can see southeast direction, and west and south in between you can see southwest direction. See the picture of beautiful compass. Now come to question number B. Look at the compass. It shows cardinal and intermediary direction. Cardinal direction are 4: north, south, east and west. Intermediary direction are 4: north, NE northeast, SE southeast, NW northwest, SW southwest. Now please come to your homework. Your homework is draw the picture of compass, write the question and answer in your CW notebook, learn the CW. Students, one thing I want to tell you that if you have any problem, you can discuss me with your voice SMS in your SST group or in your class group. I am always ready to help you. So please student, discuss that what problem you are facing in your SST period. I want to interact you. One day I will join you on Zoom for direct discussion. So student, please be ready and do your homework and CW classwork properly. So student, again we will meet on coming Saturday. Thank you. Goodbye.